Kementeri juga terat kekoi kekhia jangka Jylla Meghalaya ke Dr. Ampareen Lingdo akasi balang kalapri pajba ya ke State Food Molecular Microbiology Laboratory jangka thai stela mingi kabdana pa Parshire Hills. Ia kene ka laboratory di sarde ban pida umutri ba ka Jylla ni namar ba ule basran bani on ya ka Presiden Jaka India kamran jo ya ka Jylla kumta kala simtini Dr. Ampareen Lingdo. Habakaran hakan di ka jingalang da kalyang Dr. Ampareen Long. Paka Jylla menta kanya ya kala ban tes lani ban pentikena ya ke jingmi ya ka Jylla Meghalaya kam ki Jingbam kamtam ya ke beri paka bang badi lamba jo kani ka laboratory. Kat kum ko jinga thu jong ila ong ba ya kani ka project la pentrikam lengba ka jinga trailang bat ka Food Safety and Standards Authority of India FSSAI. Lengba jo kani ka laboratory la ong Dr. Ampareen kan lang ka jinga ka bakhrao na kam ta ke nang di Jingbam bat kum juru ban tes ya kiwi kijak Jingbam kepada nak ka Jylla la kalong nak kena sana Jingbam bat kena di Jingdiru bat lengba jo kani ru la ban seran keleng-keleng jo ka perthai ya ki Jingbam ke la ban penmi nak ka Jylla. Nagalang Principal Secretary Jaka Health and Family Welfare Sampat Kumar. Ulang bala basnang ya kani ka project lembaga Organic Testing Certification hapo kani ka laboratory hakani ki saune nirubna ke banwan. Ko juga paulo angru mereka juga ngarap kebenaran ka Jylla ke la ban yo ya kani ki Organic Certification lembaga ka tes hakani ka laboratory.
See that the entire Department of Health and Family Welfare is coordinating the inauguration of this very, very important facility. Thank you, Dr. Wada, for always being an example amidst your co-workers and making sure that funds from the Government of India are utilized, necessary communications and necessary work that is being put on the ground is actually being communicated efficiently to Government of India in form of UCs and other procedures that are required, and hence we see this very good asset that has been put on the ground today. Grateful that we also have the MD and IAS Mr. Ramkumar also here. We have the DHS Research and MCH, both Dr. Karluki and Dr. Karshiyeng also here. I'm happy to see that Mr. Sonia is personally making himself available from the Farmers Commission here, because this is where the entire testing of all of our produce and our products will be initiated, and hence we will have the necessary stamps for the sale and for the progress of all of our farmers' produce and products from the state of Meghalaya that will go across the globe and across this big country. I'm very happy to see that the enforcement team is also here. I can see Mr. Sangma and his team all here. Very important that the enforcement and the technical team work together. We have a common goal here. The goal is to ensure that the state of Meghalaya has a state-of-the-art testing lab, which is then going to be collaborated efficiently by the enforcement team. We would like to see that the state of Meghalaya markets and sells food items not just locally, nationally, but also globally. We must ensure that we have the necessary infrastructure so that we can collectively work together towards a common goal. I may not be able to take everybody else's name here, but I want to thank all officials from across the board who are here today to help us ensure that we communicate to the public a common message. And the message is Meghalaya now has come of age. We are now poised. We are now able to be certifying the products from the state of Meghalaya and making them available in racks across the globe. Now, as we have just heard, this new food molecular microbiology laboratory is here, and we have been able to implement this entire system through central sector schemes with collaboration of FSSAI. And I hope that these sophisticated equipments, instruments that are going to be made available here for various testing will be able to give us the important result of food tested products and produces from the state of Meghalaya. Honorable Chief Minister would have been here with us on this very important day. Unfortunately, there have been some technical snags in the send-off of the Honorable President of the state of the country, and hence the delay has distanced him from this very important inauguration. But I, on behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister, express our gratitude collectively to the entire team that has made the institution of this lab functional henceforth. We look forward to see all directorates of food testing working together on one platform. We also have another testing, we have also another enforcement directorate headed by Mr. Sangma. I'm yet to visit that facility. I'm also aware that we have paucity of experts in that office, and I will request our Principal Secretary Sampath sir to please kindly fast track the entire system so that all of these machines in this lab and the enforcement directorate, so that we can have a certification which is going to be productive for the state of Meghalaya. And I'm also very grateful that this lab will not only look at one aspect of food testing, but it will also be instrumental in the integrated disease surveillance project. We have to ensure that that is also attended to correctly by all officers here. So we know now that all local food businesses, food chain operators, hawkers on the streets, henceforth there will be a surveillance of all of the contents of your products to ensure that the people of the state of Meghalaya are consuming products which have been tested. And I believe that in this day and age of all kinds of new diseases like cancer and other diseases which are now much present in the community, there will be some safety confirmations for citizens who are consuming all kinds of items in various shelves across markets in the state of Meghalaya. I feel that this now will empower local food chain entrepreneurs to have the certification that is very necessary and compulsory at the time of sale of products in various markets across the globe.
10 years, then we will be exposed to right now, you have to, because it's like a bioterrorism, you shouldn't be exposed.
Jaka.